today we are going to introduce ourselves for this podcast.
Hello, my name is Indonesia Petahanari Pemau, student number 18.
And my name is Maria Erika Amoreta, student number 20.
And my name is Ignacia Munjungdaun, student number 17.
My name is Maria Aurelia Kirana Dewi, student number 19.
And my name is Maria Magdalena Dion Asmaduga Dewi, student number 21.
Enjoy the podcast. Bye. Hello everyone. So today we are going on a little podcast with my friends here. There is Embun, Lea, and Lena. So for today's podcast we are going to discuss about some like fun experience or even scary ones, right? Now we are going to move on with Embun here.
So, when I was at third grade of elementary school, I had a funny experience. So
fun.
yeah, a broken bone in my left hand, right here. Not just a broken, but it's like this. Yeah, in this. So this broken and this.
So fun. Why do you call it fun when it does it not hurt?
It's no, I don't feel anything.
Oh,
Really, I don't feel anything.
Are you done?
No, I'm living like no. Okay, so even though at that time I was playing with my two friends, and my two friends is very introvert, and I'm the one it's extrovert. So yeah, like that. And so when at that time we were playing throwing balloons. My friends threw it at me, but I didn't catch it, so I just ran to grab the balloons.
yeah.
And I don't see like the bag in right of me,
Yeah.
and I just
So you tripped and you fell.
yes, but my hands like this,
Oh.
so I just ketubrak.
Oh my god!
and
It ended up ruining your arm.
yes,
It's so fun, sorry. Oh my god.
That was our Embun fun experience of a broken bone. I don't know who else in this world that would call a tragedy like that fun. So now Lea, how about your story?
So, at that time I was 8 or 9 years old. And I went to a wedding with my mother and my little brother. At that time, my mother is writing in the guest book, and I look around and walking away from my mother. And not long after, I saw my mother walking down from the wedding aisle, and I thought that it's my mother, and I ran to her and I screamed like, "Mother!" and
that's a funny story.
and I hugged her from behind, and that person is saying like, "Huh, mother?" So I know that is not my mother. I don't know who is.
So you thought the people that were walking in the wedding aisle is your mother,
Yes.
but it is not. So it was like another guest or like a family of the bride.
Yeah. And I realized that it's not my mother, and I ran back to my real mother.
Do you feel embarrassed that time?
Yes, and now I know the person is, her name is same like my mother's name.
Oh. Well, that was quite the coincidence, right?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna move on from Lea to Lena's story. Lena, how about you?
I have momentum trip funny with my family. On the 14th of April 2017, I traveled with my family to Bali. There was a funny momentum, namely on the second day, I traveled to Villa of Kintamani. We were there taking photo and buying handicraft from the native there because at that time I felt like a tourist. I took photo of flower in people's home Well, I did know there was a teach because taking photo on my lens hand to focus camera, I ended up falling in the ditch even though at that time I was only 8 years old.
So, Lena, do you feel like embarrassed, or do you have any scar from that fall in the ditch or something?
Of course, I was so embarrassed. That was the momentum that I remember until now. Yeah.
Okay. So that means we have to be careful when we were taking pictures in somewhere we
Yes.
didn't know.
That's right.
Okay, so from our three friends' stories here, we can take some lessons for ourselves and some advice maybe. So from Ambon's story, we have to be careful whenever we were playing and to look at the way and with our eyes, not our feet.
Okay.
And then from Leah, we have to thoroughly recognize someone in a crowded room before we take action. And then to Lena, we too have to be careful whenever we were taking pictures in place we were unfamiliar in. That is all from us. We are thank you. And me as a host personally, I am sorry if I said anything that may cause discomfort to my friends or something. Thank you.
Bye bye.